I bought a home about 2 hours north of New York City in an area called Hudson Valley. And it is a huge property. We are going to redesign and remodel and renovate this entire property and all the structures on the property itself. Everything is going to be cruelty-free, sustainable, and as low in chemicals as possible.
You get off the road and you go on this winding driveway for about half a mile through a forest, and then all of a sudden in the curve you see this magnificent stone house from the 1930s out of a storybook.
Except that the barn, the greenhouse, the cottage, the main house, even the wetlands, everything's in shambles, even the driveway, everything is a complete mess.
So we're going to film the entire renovation and redecoration and how it really works.
And we're going to focus on design and remodeling that is built for optimal mental and physical wellness and health, because everything you surround in your environment affects our health, mentally and physically.
How beautiful. So we're going to choose materials like flooring, windows, kitchen, bathroom fixtures, vanities, and all sorts of materials. And then we're going to be doing furniture, decoration, window treatments, and the rest. Even we're going to talk about bathroom lighting.